Okay, guys, we're making homemade potato skins. I don't know if y'all like them. I love them. You notice I've already got some done, but I've baked potatoes and I baked them in the microwave because we can't stand the heat around here. Baked them in the microwave, then I cut them in half, and then all you do is take a spoon and kind of dip them out like a boat. Just scrape it right out of there. And I'm just using this paper towel to hold it because it's hot. But see, you just scrape it right out. Whoops. Like that. Okay. Then, I wanted to show y'all, if you had a spot that you didn't like the looks of, which I don't like the looks of that, you just kind of pick him out and then just scrape the rest of it out. Alright, I'm going to get this finished and then we'll be right back, guys. Right back. Okay? Okay, I'm back. Now look, this is how much potato we pulled out. So I've already put about, I'm going to say probably a third of a stick of butter in them. Now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon, let's say a tablespoon and a half of mayonnaise. I'm going to go ahead and put my salt, because remember these are baked potatoes, so they haven't been salted. And I'm going to go ahead and salt over these that are over here, because they haven't been salted either. Then I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper. Then I'm going to put black pepper over my potato skins. Now we're just going to stir it up. And kind of smash and cut as you stir. Because, you know, potatoes, baked potatoes sometimes are not as soft as boiled ones that you make mashed potatoes with. And I don't have any milk, but I'll get Sonny Sonny and Dusty's going to eat with me. And the babies. Jeff and the boys don't like potato skins. So, it'll just be me and Sonny and Dusty and the babies. But when she comes over, I'll get her to bring some milk, see, and I can heat up just a little bit of milk and put in here. And then it'll be like chunky mashed potatoes. Because I've already put my butter in it while it was good and hot. And let it melt. And then just stir it up good. Because we don't want anything to go to waste. For sure. And Dusty is concerned there might not be enough potato skins. Okay. Now, got that going. I'm going to jump off and I'll get you set back up over there so you can see me. And then we're going to fry them just a little bit and then we'll move on from there. Okay. Before I move them, I do want to show that I took my potatoes and cut them in half again. So we've got 1/4 of potatoes. It's just easier to fry them that way for me because you don't have to have as much grease. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Now all we're going to do is put them in our hot grease. Don't overcrowd them. You only want a few in it because you want them to have time to, I mean, they're done. All we're doing is trying to get a crisp. If we pile too many in there, then you're going to wind up with soggy. Boiled like potatoes instead of fried potatoes. So we'll just put them in there. Kind of keep moving them around because we don't want them to cook a long time. But see, I only have 5 in there. It's going to take a little while to get these all done. So I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, guys, I'm taking up the last ones. Turn off my thing. Some of them are a little browner than others. All it is it'll make your skin kind of tough if you get them too brown. So mine might have tough skins today because I've been busy doing everything else. But anyhow, we got them like this. Taking them up. I'm taking them on a thing where they can drain right over there. And then, okay. I'm going to shut you off a minute and then we'll be right back. No, your bacon goes first.
Alright guys, so we've got some bacon right here. Mammy crushed it up. I'm just going to sprinkle.
Cooked crispy.
Yeah, it's cooked crispy and chopped up very little. Just going to put a little bit on each potato.
Okay, and over here, guys, I've got my milk warmed. I'm just going to pour it over these. And the reason I wanted it warm so it wouldn't make them like glue, and because they're already cool, so this will heat them back up. Now, she's putting the bacon all over those. I'm going to go ahead and put cheese all over them, and then we're going to stick them under the broiler just till the cheese melts. That's the only oven you have to turn on. Put me in bacon. I love the bacon. And then you put as much cheese as you want. I'm not a big cheese eater, but it'll be alright. And all you do is sprinkle your cheese over them, just like that.
Hey man, should have cooked more bacon.
Well, it'll be enough. Just put your cheese over them, just like that. And like I said, all we're going to do is stick it in the broiler, and it literally will melt it in no time, and then they'll be done. And then we'll be eating over at Sonny's, so I'll come back then and show you the finished product. Alright guys, well, I'll show you the finished product before we go over there. We'll be back in just a little bit. We're going to stick them in the broiler. And here you go, guys. Homemade potato skins. Alright, see y'all later. And you put some good sour cream on top of them, boom, done. See you later.